How to find Payeer master key. Go to the Payeer website and log in using your username and password. This will take you to your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, look around for your account settings. You'll usually find it by clicking on your profile or account name. Look for something related to security settings or account security. In the security settings, keep an eye out for any option that mentions your master key. It might be labeled as master key, security key, or something similar. If you haven't made a master key before, there should be an option to create one. If you've already set it up, you'll likely see an option to view or retrieve it. Payeer might ask you to verify your identity or provide more security info before letting you see your master key. This could involve answering security questions or confirming your identity through another method. Once you've got your master key, make sure to save it somewhere safe. You can use a secure password manager if you have one, or write it down and keep it in a secure place. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Payeer master key. Remember to keep it safe and secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.